Today I am going to rekey a deadbolt.
Here I am removing the back cap to take out the core cylinder from the housing using a special tool to remove the back cap. Now I have to carefully remove the small pin and spring. I have to be careful that I won't lose the pin and the spring. Now using the deadbolt original key in order to turn the cylinder about halfway to prepare to remove the cylinder from the housing body. Using a piece of shim to help keep the inside pins from falling out of the housing. Then with the special tool called follower, I am going to use the tool to slide out the cylinder from the housing body. Once the cylinder is out, I am going to dump out the old pins. Now I am going to start installing the new pins to ensure the deadbolt matches the new key that will operate the deadbolt. This cylinder core is a 5-pin cylinder. The key will have 5 cuts or depth groove channels that will match the size of the pins. Now I am going to slide the cylinder back into the housing body. Then, utilizing the new key, I will conduct a test to determine if the lock operates properly with the new key. Oops, I didn't put the key correctly. Now it works. I am now going to reposition the small spring and the small pin. Recap the cylinder utilizing the specialized tool. Afterwards, I will reinsert the cylinder into the deadbolt body, reassemble, and prepare it for customer delivery. Here I am reinserting the cylinder into the deadbolt body, then I am going to reassemble the package, and prepare it for the customer. I am going to retest it one more time with the new key. And this is how you rekey a deadbolt lock. Do you need your house lock to be rekeyed? Or need a lock installed? Don't hesitate to call C.A.M Locksmith today for a quote.